IELTS speaking topic number 2. Study. Question. Do you work or study? Answer. I'm currently a student at Queen's University, Belfast.
Question. What do you study? You should reply. I study law because it's a really well thought of degree, and I'm hoping to pursue it as a career in the future. Question. Is it a popular subject at your university? Reply this way. Very popular, in fact, it's one of the most sought after courses. I think there are about 350 people reading law at Queen's. I think lots of students' parents want them to study law so they can get a good job after they graduate. Question. Do you enjoy studying it? Reply. It's such a huge subject that there will always be parts you like and parts you don't like. I find human rights fascinating because they can really make a difference in people's lives. On the other hand, modules like land law and equity are really boring. Question. Do you get along with your classmates? Reply. Yes, they are all really great. Most people like to socialize together in the evenings, and this makes us a very tight group. If you know someone socially, it is much easier to work together in class. Question. If you could change to another subject, what would it be? Reply. I planned to study medicine, but then when I went on work experience I fainted at the first sight of blood, so definitely not that. I'm a real history buff and read books about World War II all the time, so one suppose it would have to be modern history. Question. Do you plan to use the subject you are studying in the future? Reply. Yes, I've already started to apply for jobs as a lawyer. We normally have to secure a job a year before we graduate and then work very hard to get a high overall mark. After that, I will probably do a master's in law to become a specialist in one particular area. Question. What is the most difficult part of your subject? Reply. You have to remember lots of legislation and cases and not only remember their names but also how they affect each part of the law and how they interact with each other. Physically it can also be exhausting because we have to read very dense texts for a few hours every day. Question. What would like to study in the future? Reply. As I said before, my favorite type of law is human rights, so I would like to do a master's in international human rights law. It's right at the cutting edge of my field and there are also lots of very high-profile cases in the media, so it's really exciting and something I would like to become an expert in. Question. Why did you choose your university? Reply. Mostly because it is close to my hometown and most of my friends were going there. I kind of regret it now. It's a great university, but because it's so close to home, it doesn't give you much of a chance to experience new things and meet new people. If I were to choose again, I'd study abroad. Third topic of this IELTS course will be uploaded soon. Till then please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.